Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to dive deep into Public Invest and Trade app review. So to get started with it, Public is a commission-free investing app designed to make the financial market more accessible, especially for newer investors. It lets users invest in stocks, ETFs, cryptos, treasures, and even alternatives like fine arts, all from one stream platform. What sets Public apart is the social investing experience. Users can follow other investors, see commentaries on trades, and learn through the community insight. Also, it supports fractional investing, themed portfolios, and recently introduced tools like the AI-powered assistance, which is called Alpha, for investment research. Public strengths include its clean and beginner-friendly interface with low entry barriers. You can start with as low as $1 and even bet the breadwidth of the asset types of offer, including the alternative investment not commonly found in the competing app. The absence of the PFOF and the educational content make it good fit for users who value clarity and learning while investing. It also provides daily market insight and curated collection of help guide beginners. However, the app does have its downside. It lacks robust tools for technical or advanced analysis, which may disappoint more experienced traders. Some features like cryptos and alternative comes with the additional fee, and its social feed is a nice touch. It can occasionally feel like noise rather than actionable insight. Additionally, is currently limited to US user.